Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can do factory reset in your Poco C71 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to tap on the settings, then click on search, and here you have to write here reset, then click on search, and you can see here it is the reset options. Just tap on it and you will see here it is erase all data factory reset. Just tap on here and click on erase all data. It will erase your whole data including your Google account, system, app data, downloads, music, video, photo, including your Gmail ID. And if you have SD card also, so you have to remove it safely. It will also delete that data also. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.